In this video, I will show you how to sound from this to this, which is so incredible because you need to make the adjustments just once inside of Premiere Pro, and that's it. You will shot a lot of videos, and with the sound from the mic you import into Premiere Pro, and that's it. All the time will be the same effect, no matter how much videos you will have, but every time these effects will be there for you. So let's jump inside of Premiere Pro and let me show you how to do this. Now let me show you how I made these changes. We will do just once. I know you have some essential sounds and you can just go with dialogue, and yeah, it's not for me because you need to make these changes for every type of video that you will record. So yeah, it's not my case. Let's close this one and let's go to our main focus, which will be in audio track mixer. If you don't have this one, just try to see here if it's checked, but for me it's this one. So yeah, at the start you will have something like this, and you need to click on this effects and sends, and you will have all these options, all these beautiful options, because this is where the magic happens. For me, where the magic happens will be in audio 1, so in the first track from above of the video. So the first one will be every time where I will put my voice record. So this one in my case, and also in your case, just pick from this drop down menu the first one filter, which is this parametric equalizer. Just let's add all of them, and after that we will speak about every one in part. So let's just get now some denoiser, denoise. The third one will be hard limiter, which is here. We need dynamics, again here, and the last one is multiband compressor. So we have now all the effects that we need, and yeah, we need to go in each and every one to see the options. So double click on the first effect. On the presets, you need to go down and pick this vocal enhancer, and we should have here 9K. I like here to put 5 because it's too much. For me was working 9.2K. Here should be 3.5, and I let the rest of them untouched. So let's moving on to the next one, denoise, and here I pick light noise reduction from the preset, and I prefer to have 30 because I keep all the time my laptop in use, and yeah, this is what is working for me. So if you have a good treated sound room, maybe you want to go as low as possible to don't have the voice too much impact by this denoiser. On hard limiter, I like to have here -6, 12 dB, because my DJI Mic 3 it's at 0, and yeah, for me I saw that it's working 12 in this case. We have 7 and 100 to the other one, and make sure you will put here limit to -6 dB. Make sure you will check this one. The compressor should be checked. Pick from here soft compression. You should have here 3. Maybe you need to have something else. Just play with the values from each and every effect that I'm showing today. And yeah, maybe your case it's different than mine, because I use that DJI Mic 3, and maybe you will have something from, I don't know, Fifine or other brands, other mic brands. So yeah, this is everything here, and we should move to the next one. The next one, it's like a bonus, because this will make your voice to sound like a radio and stuff like that. So I feel like for me, you have a lot of presets to choose from, but for me, this was the best. Kill the harshness. But you have a lot of others like broadcast, maybe will work for you. But I will just pick this one, and I will not play with anything from here, because yeah, I don't know what I will do, and yeah, maybe I'll mess around with the things. So yeah, I prefer to leave it how it is. But yeah, we should have 2 more slots in here, but because we don't have that, I will go in the mix column from here, and this will affect every audio from this timeline, and make sure you will not put too much effects in here, because you need to pick just the right ones. One is for us to help with the YouTube, because yeah, I made these videos for YouTube. So the first effect will be from special loudness meter, and the next one is also from special, which is mastering. I feel like from the specials you will not have that much impact on your audio 1, 2, 3 and 4. So yeah, make sure you will not put a lot of effects in here. Make this as clean as possible. So the first effect from here will help us to just put the best sound for YouTube. Right now it's not that great, minus 23 LUFS. It's not okay for us. So we need to pick from the presets YouTube. Maybe you will make something for Spotify, or I don't know, Apple Podcast. But for us and for this video, for sure we will go for YouTube. And now we have the target loudness minus 14 LUFS. But first, let's go to the mastering. And for me was working this effect. I don't know why, but yeah, this feels like it's so great for me. Make room for vocals. And here I have value 0. Here was good for me, 15, 0 here, and 0 here. So yeah, this was the amount that I need for this mastering to be okay for me. And this is what you should have all the time on loudness meter. So make sure you will hit this integrated as much as minus 14, because that is the perfect LUFS for YouTube. Loudness, don't go too much, should be perfect in like 2-3 spots. To pick -1 will be amazing all the time. And yeah, this is how your setup should look like. If it's not the same, make sure you will tweak everything that we make today, especially that dB from input boost from the hard limiter. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.